how to delete your Wealthfront account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that we have to do is simply navigate to transfer or sell on your dashboards. So from your dashboard, all you need to do is find the option of transfer or sell. Simply tap on that one, and then after doing that, you can withdraw all of your funds to your linked bank account, or you can also request a assessed transfer to another broker. So after doing that, successfully transfer all of your cash. And then after doing that, you will now have to wait 1 to 3 business days for all the transactions and security sales to settle fully. So after 1 or 3 business days, what you're going to do is simply get on the settings. For that, tap on the gear like icon right here. Then from there, tap on accounts, and then what you're going to do is select the account, and then what we're going to do is tap on the close account option. So after doing that, that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your Wealthfront account step by step. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.